Hello students, welcome to Prof Triumph Academy. Today we will learn how to make tables in HTML. First we install HTML tag, then head, and in head we give the title tag. In title, as we are working on tables, so we are I'm saving this as table. Title is table, or you can write table example, whatever you want according to your wish. Now I will close this head also. Now starts the body part. And in the body part, now I am displaying the table. Try to make the table. So I am starting the table tag. So here I have to stop the title tag. Right. Now in the table we have so many things. First of all, our table should have headings also. Sometimes it have headings. Mostly it have headings. So for headings, we use TH. TH is table heading, right? In this, we can give headings. For example, suppose this is a student table and I want to give first heading is roll number, which I want to give. So I am giving it. Then I will close this heading tag. That means first heading is complete. Next, in the second column, I want to give the heading name and then close this heading tag. These two are headings. I suppose in my table there are only two columns, right? Table is a combination of row and columns, as we all know. So this is the two columns headings I had given. Now for starting table row, I will give the tag TR. That means this is the row of the table. And in this row, I have to give the data. For example, roll number, suppose there is a roll number 101. That I have to give. But instead of giving in directly to TR, I will give in TD tag. TD means table data. Here I can give the data which I want for roll number, right? And then close this TD data. But in the same TR tag, as we are defining the single row, next column is for name. So I am giving the name Neha, right? And then I will close this TR. That means first row is completed. Now for second row also, I will again start this TR tag and for data TD tag. Now suppose the roll number is 102. In this way, I can give as much information as I want, as much rows I want to give. So this is a simple example of a table. Now I will close this TR tag. Now I will close this table tag also and body tag. And then I will close this HTML tag, right? Now I am saving this file in my folder, which is HTML folder. I have been saving it as table 1. Just student table I will give. Student underscore table dot HTML. Extension should be HTML file or HTML file, right? Now I had saved this file. If I want to run this in the browser, I will open this file first in my folder where it is. Yes, student table is this. So now you can see this is the table. In the data comes in the table format. But now I want to give the border because I am not seeing anything properly. So I am giving the border for this table. Border attribute is a table attribute. So I will specify the border in table tag. Right? Now I will save it and run it. Now you can see the borders. It is showing very less. I am increasing the font size, paper size. So now you can see the border comes. And one more thing you can notice that the tags I had given table heading, which contains roll number and name, as I had given in already in TH tag, it comes bold automatically. So you don't need to worry about that and you can give it easily. Now suppose, for example, I have to merge some columns. For example, I have to merge some columns. Then what should I do? Suppose my table contains one more row, and in that row I want to give the data in which I want the two rows to get merged. Okay. Then I will give row span. Row span is the value of merging rows together. Right? In this I had given. Now I can give 103, and now I can close this. Right? In this way, rows are merging, not columns. So I will give the another column data also for this. Let's see what happens. Right, I'm saving this and now running this again by refreshing this web page. Now it is not showing because we don't have any data, and I didn't close tr also. Now I'm again starting the tt/tt. Okay, again tt and /tt. Okay, now let's see. Now here you can see two rows are merged because there is not any data, but two rows are there which is merged now, right? So in this way we can give this. Now I have to close this tr tag also. If you don't give with it data, then also it get merged, no problem in that, but you can't show it because you had not given this tag. So I am just explaining how we can merge the rows. Okay. Now, in the similar way, we can merge the columns also. Two columns can get merged. Suppose we have multiple columns in our table, and sometimes there is a value. For example, in a timetable, we have 2 hours of a lecture of a same subject together. So we can merge that, right? For that, we have to give call span, not row span. Call span we have to give. So call span is for merging two columns. Row span is for merging two rows, right? In this way we can merge it. Then two columns get merged. Here you can see roll number and name column. दो column थे वो merge हो गए. रोहित एक extra column बन गया because TD में मैंने data दिया हुआ था, इसीलिए वो एक extra आ गया. तो this row contains 3 टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स. फर्स्ट इज कि आपके 2 कॉलम्स थे जो दोनों को मिला के एक कॉलम बन गया और उसमें वैल्यू आ गई, और क्योंकि मैंने सेकेंड वैल्यू दी हुई थी इसीलिए वो रोहित भी आ गया, राइट? अगर मैंने ये रोहित नहीं लिखा होता, यहाँ पे सिंपल लिखा होता, तो फिर ये रोहित आपको नहीं दिखेगा एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम. ठीक है, इस तरीके से ये मर्ज हो जाता है. ये था आपका कॉलम वाला, क्लियरली हमें विजिबल हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट, क्योंकि मैंने वैल्यूज ही नहीं दी हुई हैं इसलिए हमें विजिबल भी नहीं हो रहा था. यहाँ पे हम चाहें तो जैसे ऊपर दिया हुआ है, सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे लगा देती हूँ रो स्पैन इक्वल्स टू 2. तो रोज जो है वो और क्लियरली आपको दिखेंगे. ये देखो 101 वाला क्या हो गया, ये कॉलम रोज आपकी 2 रोज कंबाइंड हो गई. नाउ यू कैन क्लियरली सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रो स्पैन एंड कॉल स्पैन, एंड दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, राइट? I hope you can understand it. Thank you very much.